Hello, everyone. It's hot here, so I've got my shirt off, and I'm going to do an Odd Moes commercial. No, just kidding. And there it is, Odd Moes, and I got their barbecue chicken wings. Oh, I can hardly wait to dig in. Oh, they gave me some sauce for the wings. And I got 10 of these. Oh man, I'm gonna need a. I'll be back. I'm gonna need some paper towels. Hold on. As you see, I'm going back to get some paper towels because I forgot to pick them up. It's very barbecue-ish. Sorry about that, guys. Taste test here. The Odd Moes Factory. No, Odd Moes Pizza Joint in Salem, Oregon. All right. My first wing. There it is. Here, let me close that up. There it is. Barbecue style. Gangnam style. This is finger licking good. Tastes like real barbecue. Delicious. The guy that delivered from Odd Moes said he never had them. They have like so many different flavors, like super 5-star super hot or whatever, 5X hot. Get 10 of these, and they're very good. I'll even eat the bone. I didn't want to wear a shirt also because I don't want to get barbecue sauce all over them. Yeah, these are finger licking good. Wow. Oh, I gotta have some 7-Up, Diet 7-Up here. Okay. Here's my second chicken wing. I'm not gonna eat all 10 on this YouTube channel. I don't want to be a pig. I haven't tried Buffalo Wild Wings. If anyone has, let me know how those are. I don't like hot, so don't give me a spicy recipe. These are off the hook. These are dope, man. Man, these are good. Oh, man. Getting barbecue sauce all over me now. It is so delicious. Man, these are good. Here's a little drumstick one. I love those. Barbecue sauce is bursting with flavor. It's not hot either. It's a nice barbecue sauce. These wings are good. I've had the Pizza Hut wings, but I think these beat Pizza Hut wings. Oh, they are delicious. It's just dripping with oozing out barbecue flavor. That's good. Try another one of these, man. Oh. Oh, these are good. I'll try the other flavors that they have, except for the hot ones. I think they have a garlic one. Let's try that next time. It's about $7.50 for 10 wings, but they are delicious. Made a mess of myself. Wow. Yeah, these are great. Diet 7-Up coming down. Oh, man. Oh, these are so good. Oh, I forgot the dipping sauce. Let me try that dipping sauce now. Oh, I think it's ranch. Man, ranch is going to ruin it, though. To try it and see what happens. It's ranch, but just the barbecue sauce alone, kind of, with the ranch, you can barely taste the barbecue. But I love ranch dressing. This is dope and real good and messy, and I like it. Oh, it's good. Try one more, then I'll do the scale. From 1 to 10 and 0 to 100. Barbecue sauce on it's good. The ranch dressing is good. Get the ranch dressing all over me. Oh, these are good. These are to die for. If any of you guys have any food review that you'd like me to do, taste test, let me know. That's good. All right. Time to do the 1 to 10. I give this from Odd Moes, Salem, Oregon, or is it Kaiser, Oregon, whatever, same thing. I give this a solid 10 plus. That's how good these are. Oh, man. These are delicious. What can I say? It's really good. So yeah, on a 1 to 100, on a 0 to 100 scale, I give this a solid 100. Best chicken wings I've ever eaten. I haven't seen anything better than this. Like I said, I did Pizza Hut, and these blow Pizza Hut away. I haven't tried Buffalo Wild Wings yet. I'll try them sometime. These are more than just finger licking good. It's solid good. Wow. These are great. Anyway, everyone, I appreciate y'all watching. Crash that thumbs up, and also crash that subscription button if you haven't subscribed already. Do so, and ring that bell next to the subscribe button. It lets you know when I do another video like this. Let me know what you'd like me to talk about, subject-wise or topic-wise or whatever, or another taste test. Please let me know. Thanks for letting me do this, and I will talk to you all another time. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and have a great day. Bye-bye now.